I was in Ecole Mondiale. It's in Juhu only. It's next to JNS, so I feel like a lot of there was some food stands and all that would be around the school a lot. So it'd be like an after-school thing to finish school and then go there, get pani puri, get dosas and stuff like that.
तो आप स्कूल में कैसे थे? Were you shy, naughty, mischievous?
मैं actually जाती ही नहीं थी.
Really?
That was the main problem. I actually dropped a lot of my subjects in my last 2 years because I did IB certificate. So my subjects were theatre, English, and the most basic level math because I absolutely hate math. But theatre I used to really enjoy. So I
Yeah.
kind of put most of my time investing into theatre. Theatre was my only higher level subject as well because I knew this is what I wanted to do at the end of the day.
Oh, really? So
Yeah.
was that clear? At what age did you know that you want to, become an actor?
Contrary to now, I was quite the attention seeker when I was younger.
Really? Okay.
I would enter parties and I would want everyone to look at me and I'd break into song and dance. Om Shanti Om was mine and Janvi's favorite movie to enact. The scene where her dupatta gets stuck on his arm, on his
Yeah.
bracelet or something,
Yeah.
and she does her wave.
Yeah.
That we would keep enacting over and over again. It was our favorite thing to do.
So what was your role?
We'd keep taking turns who would get to be
Deepika?
Shanti Priya. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It would be fair.
But did you guys just for fun would enact a lot of movie scenes?
Yeah, like a lot of the time that was our game time. Luckily we're not so far apart in age, so I
Yeah.
think we would have a lot of fun.
And which Bollywood actress would you all always look up to, or was your favorite growing up?
I think Om Shanti Om, the whole Deepika era was very we would really love that movie. That was a huge moment for us. And in general, there must have been so many. Even when Desi Girl came out, Priyanka
Priyanka
was so
Chopra.
good in that.
Yeah.
I think that song also was quite iconic for everyone, I think.
Now have you met Deepika or Priyanka?
Yeah, and I'm always in awe still. I think they have such a presence to them. You can't not look,
So in your mind, did you ever have a second option कि अगर acting नहीं हुआ तो मैं ये करूँगी, या ये clear था कि मुझे actor ही बनना है? And both of you always wanted to be actors?
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, our playground was a movie set. Parents would take us to every single shoot they would have. So I don't think we knew anything else. Our dinner table conversations were about movies. Our whole family is in the industry. So I don't think it was ever a moment of, so what are they going to do when they grow up? I think we knew that this is what we're going to do.
And tell me about Lavyapa. I saw the trailer, looked amazing. How did the film
Thank you.
happen? What were your thoughts when you were offered this film?
My dad had told me to watch the original movie a really long time ago. I remember watching it and really liking it. He told me that this movie is being made in Hindi, and I was really very excited because I like the original movie so much. It's a really nice story. It's very relevant. And then I had a narration. I thought the dialogues were so funny and the script was so funny, especially because the original one was made in the South. So of course, I think culture in the jokes makes a huge difference. So when I had heard this script, I was laughing out loud. And that's not something I do very easily also.